So since keys, there's a lot of different types of keys that could be used for different services. Do we need to back up all of those keys? Do we want to have a backup copy of all of them? No. We need to make sure that we have a backup copy of a key that has been used to encrypt data, because especially if it's company data. So if there's a key that was used to encrypt data and that got corrupted or it got lost, we need to be able to still get access to that data. So data encryption keys should be backed up, but keys that are used for like authentication and communication should not be backed up. There's no reason to. So if somebody loses their private key or a key set that they use for communication, then what needs to happen is just a new pair is generated. So usually for key backup, it's just to be able to make sure that the company can still access their data in case somebody corrupts a key or loses it. They still need to be able to access that data.